The time is here. The dealership is officially opened. So now it's time to create that product that we've been talking about for years. So one of my dreams has always been to create West Coast Customs products. And I think with this opportunity with Dodge and the Dodge store was giving me that chance to really do it. You know, I feel we have a ton of fans out there that necessarily feel they can't come to West Coast Customs, or they live far away, maybe it's too expensive. So I wanted to really look at that as a business model of, like, we need to give back to those fans. After speaking with Rinaldi and Sean, I think one of the top cars that, you know, gets stuck in the mix is a 6-cylinder Dodge Charger. So it's like, we need to give them something that makes them feel like they have a Hellcat, but at the same time, give it our touches.
Yeah.
So I think you should look at like the style points from the wide body fenders, more additional lip, you know, side skirts, a full kit, but make it our style.
Got it.
So let's start there, and then I think from there we'll do a Challenger, then we could do a Jeep, you know, and if there's something we could do with Chrysler. Cool? You got that?
I got it.
All right.
All right.
Go to work. You have approximately 22 minutes.
Now that the design is done, time to 3D scan this car to create the CAD surface.
So the guys are taking all of our parts out of the molds today. First, they start with some gel coat. They lay out multiple layers of fiberglass. Once all of that cures, they can unbolt these molds and pop each part out one by one. So right now they're working on the diffuser. We've got some side skirts laid up, a front lip, and a whole bunch of fender flares. So watch the process, check it out, see how it's done. We got these things out of the fiberglass dungeon. Fiberglass makes a mess, so they're trimmed, cleaned up, ready to go to paint and body. Let's get them in there, let's get them painted.
So we're finally here. The body kit is just about complete. They got a couple little details, then when it's off to the dealership, get the final approval, and then it's available for you. So stay tuned. You good? Go ahead. It's not finished. Hold on. Moscow, we need to put this like that. It's official.